LeetCode Challenge Day 2. Today we will solve second problem using Python, because why not? Every day we'll try something new. The second problem called happy number. The interesting thing that we will solve it with 0.1 memory consumption. And my approach is pretty unique to what I had saw in discussions. So take a look at this and maybe you know weak points or whatever. My name is Alexander Zelenin and I'm an experienced software engineer. So let's go to the task. We need to write an algorithm to determine if provided number is a happy number. We have a pretty large description of this task, but in general we have number and we split this number into digits. Put this for every digit we do square of it, we summarize them, we repeat this operation until we reach 0 or until we reach a cycle. So for some numbers maybe it will be unlimited process and we need to avoid it. So if you already understand the problem, just go to the link in the description and solve the problem by yourself. Maybe publish the code if you have better idea than me or if you want to get some comments. So we will use set and dictionary. First what we'll do, we'll save the number in this set. Also I was thought to describe that set it more efficient than dictionary, but honestly no one care about this. It only matters on the interview or in a really high load system or in real-time systems such as VR headset or something like that. In most of application doesn't matter too much, the difference is insignificant. So we storing number and perform our operation and storing our number again, and we performing this operation every time again until we reach some number that results to 1. For example, 100 have zeros and its result to 1, and 1 will be our answer. Great. But the problem with this approach that we use additional memory. It's honestly not that big problem, it's still pretty optimal solution. It consumes not too much memory, and in additional we got a set of numbers that can be reused in future, because every of this number is happy number. Like we already know them and maybe we can reuse them for further operations like caching or whatever. But let's try to do it more optimal. So if we will take a look at number 999 and we will apply next step algorithm to this number, we will get 243, and this is number lower than 999. But if we will took just 99, the result will be higher. So from certain point, every number will not exceed 999, and every number below 999 requires just 6 steps, maximum of 6 steps, to reach 1. If it doesn't reach 1 in 6 steps, it means it will never reach 1. Thank you for watching. I hope you had learned something new today. If so, please like, subscribe and write a comment. It directly affects how often I will create such videos. Have a nice day.